Use Snapchat Places in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply use the Snapchat Places feature in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Snapchat application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're going to go into the map icon that is at the left bottom corner of your screen. Once you're in that place, so there are going to be series of options. It will locate or it will show us, depict us where our friends are and where their location is being shown. You're going to go into the places option that is at the bottom middle of the screen. Once you tap on it, a dialog box would pop up for let's go sign that would tell us the trending, the schedule, and the like emoji option. So once you do that, it would tell us some popular places that are like really near us. So these are the options. So what I do is, if I want to make it to my favorites, I can simply tap on that like option and that place would be gone into my favorites list. So the visited option, any place that I have been to and I have saved that and I have shared my location on it, would be saved in this or would be settled in this visited option. And in this popular option, if I go into some place and if I like really tap on the name of that place, a new dialog box would appear in which it would tell us the ratings. The TripAdvisor would be there to tell us the reviews, the timings, the popular timings, the contact number, the address, and all those details, along with the pictures or snaps of that location. Along with that, we have this like option, direction options, and the send to option. So here it is. This is how we do it. This is how we simply use or make use of the places option in Snapchat in 2022. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.